So, a practical feature of your Technitrip 62 Swing Secure is how the door actually functions. What do I mean? Well, if you look where our hinge positions are, when I operate the door leaf, you'll see that I can actually take the leaf well past 90 degrees. Let me show you. So there we go, door's well past 90 degrees with the foot stop operated. The inactive leaf, disengage our flush bolts, top and bolt shoot open, and we can now open our inactive leaf. And again, foot stop, doors in fully open position. So what's the benefit? Well, the benefit is that these doors are giving you complete clear passage from here to here and from your floor to here. You get maximum opening space to go through the opening. Because at the end of the day, we want you to be able to use the space in there for anything you need to use it for. And these doors are a great practical solution. We close them, we just do everything in reverse. So our foot stops, simply release them. Engage top and bottom shoot bolts. Foot bolt again. Simple, doors locked.